Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Enjoy relaxing outdoors in comfort and shade with our top picks for stylish and durable sun umbrellas. The best garden parasol ensures excellent UV protection, sturdy construction, and elegant design perfect for creating a cool, inviting space in your garden or patio. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. AMMSUN 6.5-foot Garden Parasol. The AMMSUN 6.5-foot Garden Parasol is a stylish and functional choice for outdoor shade, perfect for beach trips, patios, or garden use. Designed with a removable and reinforced sand anchor, it provides exceptional stability even in windy conditions, ensuring your umbrella stays firmly in place. Its silver-coated interior fabric delivers UPF 50+ protection, effectively blocking over 98% of harmful UVA and UVB rays to keep you safe from sunburn. The parasol's adjustable tilt feature allows you to easily modify the angle of shade throughout the day, maintaining optimal comfort as the sun moves. Crafted with a premium metal pole and 8 durable fiberglass ribs, it withstands wind and daily use with impressive strength. Whether you're relaxing by the pool or spending a sunny day at the beach, this parasol ensures dependable shade, portability, and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Femuar 10-foot Garden Parasol. The Femuar 10-foot Garden Parasol offers reliable, heavy-duty protection for your outdoor umbrella with its 600D Oxford fabric and PVC coating. Designed to withstand tough weather, it effectively resists cracking, fading, tearing, and mold. This cover keeps your parasol safe from rain, snow, and direct sunlight, ensuring it remains in excellent condition all year long. With dimensions that fit umbrellas ranging from 7 to 10 feet, it includes a 1.2-meter black telescopic pole for versatile use. The anti-unzipping drawstring and side strap keep the cover secure even during strong winds, preventing it from blowing away. Perfect for homeowners seeking extended life and protection for their parasols, this cover combines practicality, weather resistance, and thoughtful design. Femuar's responsive customer support also ensures peace of mind, promising assistance and satisfaction after every purchase. Number 3. YITHOPI UV Garden Parasol. The YITHOPI UV Garden Parasol brings both beauty and functionality to any outdoor setting, providing dependable protection from harsh sunlight. Its UV-resistant fabric ensures lasting color and performance while shielding users from harmful rays. The water-repellent coating allows rain to glide off smoothly, preventing pooling and maintaining a clean, dry surface even during light showers. With an expansive 82.7-inch diameter, it offers generous shade coverage, perfect for garden lounging, terrace dining, or beach relaxation. The polyester fabric is easy to maintain, requiring just a quick wipe to keep it looking fresh and inviting. Designed with a sleek anthracite finish and a painted pole, this parasol adds a modern aesthetic that enhances any patio or balcony decor. Its combination of sun protection, water resistance, and minimal upkeep makes it ideal for those who value style and practicality. Whether for sunny afternoons or mild rainy days, the YITHOPI parasol ensures comfortable outdoor experiences year-round. Number 4. AMMSUN 7-foot Garden Parasol. The AMMSU 7-foot Garden Parasol offers the perfect blend of strength, portability, and UV protection for outdoor comfort. It features a removable sand anchor that makes setup on the beach or in soil quick and stable, preventing the umbrella from toppling in windy conditions. The high-quality polyester canopy with an advanced silver coating blocks up to 99% of harmful UV rays while resisting water, stains, and fading. Supported by a sturdy aluminum pole and 8 reinforced fiberglass ribs, it ensures superior durability against gusts and prolonged sun exposure. Its push-button tilt mechanism allows easy angle adjustment, letting you enjoy cool shade from sunrise to sunset without repositioning the umbrella. Designed for convenience, it includes a sewn-in strap and portable carry bag, allowing effortless transport and compact storage.
Whether used in the garden, patio, poolside, or while camping, this parasol combines resilience, easy handling, and sun safety to enhance outdoor relaxation in every setting.
Number 5. Yaheetech 10-Foot Garden Parasol. The Yaheetech 10-Foot Garden Parasol is an impressive combination of size, sturdiness, and ventilation, designed to elevate your outdoor living space. Its unique 3-tier vented canopy ensures smooth airflow, keeping the area beneath cool and comfortable even on hot summer days. Constructed with heavy-duty iron and supported by 16 strong ribs, it delivers exceptional stability and wind resistance for long-term use. The canopy is made from thick 220-gram polyester, a premium material known for its durability, UV protection, and weather resistance, ensuring the fabric maintains color and strength through seasons. With its expansive 10-foot octagonal shape, the parasol provides up to 78 square feet of shade, ideal for patio dining sets or lounging areas that seat up to 6 people. Perfect for gardens, yards, beaches, or parks, it delivers both protection and elegance. Combining solid construction with breathable design, the Yaheetech Parasol promises enduring shade and comfort for every outdoor gathering. In conclusion, each of these garden parasols offers a unique balance of durability, sun protection, and aesthetic appeal to enhance your outdoor comfort. Whether you need a lightweight portable option or a large patio shade, these models deliver reliable performance and long-lasting quality. Choose the one that best complements your space and enjoy cool, shaded relaxation all season long.